Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss that how you can upload videos on Voom, which is a very exciting feature of Line application. So how are you going to do it? Let's find out. First thing, you need to go to your Line application. From here, you will find Voom feature right at the bottom. You need to tap on that one, and once you're here, you can see people uploaded videos here, and it works just like TikTok. There is a For You option here, and if you tap on following, so you will find the people that you follow online application, what they are posting here. So back to the For You, and here you can actually follow people, you can like, you can share, you can comment as well. So now today we will discuss only that how you can upload a video. So there is the video option, you need to tap on that one. Once you tap on that, the camera will open. You can either record a video or you can upload a video. So you tap on that option, and from here you can find any video that you want to upload from your gallery. Select that video and then tap on next. So once you tap on next, here you can add a sound to it. You can record a voice or voiceover just like TikTok. You can actually control the volume, the clip volume or the sound volume. You can adjust that one as well. You can add a text as well, and you can just change the filters or the effects as well. So once you are done, you edit everything, you just tap on done. And here you can enter a brief description or a topic. From here, you can change actually the privacy settings. You can make it a public custom list. You can remove some people if you don't want them to see your video, or you can choose only me as well. So once you selected a privacy settings, then the next thing you need to do, you can add hashtags as well, that it can be reached to many people as well if that is a particular topic. And then you want to post it, or you can save it as a draft and edit it later on as well. So guys, this is all it takes to upload a video on Voom feature, which is a very cool feature of Line application. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.